Hi guys, so welcome to learn Chinese in Museum. Anyway, I am Abdurrahman and I'm sharing 3 videos every day, and if you want to support me, you can subscribe and you can inform your friends who are interested in English and Chinese. Thank you guys. And today we will learn the how to say months and dates and years. So it's easy to say month. And if you know how to say month and the numbers, uh, if you uh, if you can count from 1 to 12, you can say all month. For example, here we have new word 月月it means month, and e first tone e 月fourth tone 一月 it's first month. It means January. And 二月 R means two, and fourth tone R. Okay. 二月 it means February, January, February, second month. And 六月 fourth tone 六 六月 sixth month. It means June, January, February, June. 十二月 十二 means 12. 十二月 means December. 十 second tone 十二 十二月 it's December. So you can say the months like 一月二月三月四月五月六月七月八月九月10月 11月 12月 like this. It's so easy to say months in Chinese. And we will learn how to say date today. We learned this word before. 今天 it means today. I will write here. 今 first one. 今天 it means today. And we have 十月十月 it means October 十月 and sun here first one sun 十一好 fourth one 好今天10月31号10月 October 31 31 day. So you can say translate this sentence. Today is October 31st. 31st. Sorry, 31st. Okay, today is October 31st. So you see, it's easy to say the date in Chinese. And we have a new word here. 今天 means today. 明天 means tomorrow. Tomorrow. 明天. And I will write here. 明天 is first one. 明天 means tomorrow. 11月 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 means November. 11月 it's November. And 1号 1号. And tomorrow is November 1st. 11月1号. Tomorrow is November 1st. Okay, and here we will learn how to say years. 年 means year, and 今年 means this year. 今年 I will write here. 今年 this year is 2005 2005 Ling means 0, and there is a different character for 0. I will show at the end of the lesson. 2005年 今年 2005年 and this year is 2005, you can say, or 2005. It's also easy to say the year in Chinese. 今年2005年 and here 明年 明天 is tomorrow. 明年 means next year. And I will write here. 明年 2006 年 here 明年 next year 2006年 next year is 2006, or you can say 2006. So as you see, it's easy to say the date in Chinese. So we have two characters for 0. One of them is just write O. and it's simple one, but there is a character, it's a little difficult, and we will write like this. Like this. Link is same. I suggest you to learn this character because later we will see these parts in different characters. So maybe when you go to China, everywhere doesn't have this character. Maybe you can see this character. So you should learn this character too. It means also zero. Link, and the bottom part actually it's not different. So right, look at the Jin. Just at this part becomes this. So just the upper part is new for us. So you can learn this character easily. And then else I don't mention. I think I don't have. And today we learn a few new characters. Yue is mount. Jintian we already learned. Tian means tomorrow. And Jinian this year. Ming Nian means next year. And Ling means zero. Okay, it's a 5 character. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope the video helps you to improve your Chinese, and see you next video. Take care of yourself.